what up? What's that? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, as you can see, we got the black box, gold Jumpman. Today, we're going to take a look at the Air Jordan 14 Retro, black varsity red. Now, opening the box, on the paper, you got the white paper with the gold 23s all throughout the paper. But enough of that. Let's get to where the money at, man. Here it is, the Air Jordan 14 Last Shot. Now, a lot of y'all might not know what this is. A lot of y'all might know what it is, but don't really know what it is. You know what I'm saying? Now, this shoe is the shoe that Jordan played in that Game 6 against Utah when he hit that last shot. You know what I mean? And everybody was going crazy. Oh, man, what that is he got on his feet, man? Oh, man, what? Then you know that Slam Kicks magazine came out once the season was over and showed it to you, and everybody went crazy. So looking at the shoe, man, you see this shoe, you see this suede that's on the front that I'm not crazy about. On the back, you see the Jumpman in the 23. Medial side, you see what's happening with it. On the inside, you got the black insole with the red Jumpman. Pretty self-explanatory. You know what I'm saying? You see the Jumpman on the toe. I mean, it is what it is, man. Now, this shoe is supposed to resemble the Ferrari. Or it got its inspiration from that. You see this logo shield, something like the Ferrari thing, you know what I mean? I mean, it is what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? Both shoes are identical. There's no difference between the two. Same thing with the insole. You got the black insole, red Jumpman. I mean, it is what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? Now, I ain't got my size in yet, but tomorrow I'm going to double back, hit y'all with an on foot. If I don't get my size in tomorrow, I'm going to just let somebody else do it. You understand what I'm saying? But, yeah, man, that's pretty much it for the Air Jordan 14 Retro Last Shot. Pretty dope shoe. You see that Jordan on the tongue. I mean, it is what it is, man. It's a classic. You know, I don't know how they're going to do in the stores. I expect them to sell out, but who knows, man? Ain't no telling. So we're going to take a couple more looks at the shoe, man. You know, give y'all a couple of little shots of it. And we're going to get on up out of here, man. You know what I'm saying? But like I say, this is just a quick unboxing, quick look. I'm going to just double back tomorrow with the on foot, man, and we're just going to take it from there, man. I got a lot of videos I got to upload, you know what I'm saying? So y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. Turn your notifications on. Follow us at Peddlers Ave 504, and I'm going to holler back.